Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for FileCoin. So, as always, our key level criteria: we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. The first key level we can find is our monthly swing high. So we plot it on the chart. We also notice a level right here, where price reacted to a support here, and we see price reacting here before price broke right through. So let's go ahead and hop into the weekly so we can see more price action. Now, here on the weekly time frame, what do we see? We notice a key level right here, where we have reactions as resistance and reactions as support. We see multiple reactions across this key level. So we can also plot in this key level right here, where we've seen a strong reaction sending price drastically to the downside. Now, we also notice a key level right here. We can see price came up, hit, and reversed. As price broke through and came back down, we've seen a reaction through this doji candle here. But price initially continued to fall. So, moving on to our most recent price action. What can we see? Well, we notice a key level right here on this swing high. And we also notice a support level where price came down, hit, and reversed. We see price reacting to the level, and we see a long momentum with high volume breakout candle. So price could continue further on down. So looking at our chart here, these are all the key levels plotted on the monthly and weekly time frame. If you guys enjoyed this video and got any value out of it, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.